Hey folks, this is Dr. K with a quick hello and a welcome to CS5704 Software Engineering. In this course, we're going to talk about process models, agile development, and all kinds of software design, refactoring, component design, design patterns, and even the design of everyday thing. That's a particularly fun module. In the first half of the course, we're going to be following along pretty much with the textbook, which is Pressman's Software Engineering a Practitioner's Approach. And in the second half of the course, we'll rely more on other sources of information, like head-first design patterns, for example. We've got four main projects in this course. The first, which will be assigned next week, is a refactoring project. That's where you take code that already works and you have to modify it to strengthen its internal design. In the second project, you're going to be creating a software component from scratch. I know that it'll be some kind of collection component, like collection data structure, like a list or set or a map. Haven't really decided on exactly what kind of data structure it'll be yet. But what I do know is it will have a single interface and it will have multiple implementations. In the third project, we're going to take a break from programming altogether, and you're going to create a video presentation on some topic related to software engineering. Okay, that means you're going to create slides in PowerPoint or a similar application, and you're going to present those slides by recording the screen and by recording your voice, talking about what's in the slides. Okay, this will be similar to the recordings that I do in this class. That project's usually a lot of fun, but it can be challenging if you've never had to do a video presentation before. However, it is a good skill to know in this day and age. Finally, the fourth project will be one in which we use design patterns to add functionality to an existing application. Design patterns give us a way of structuring our code so that it helps us maintain and enhance the application at a later date. So aside from the projects, you'll have weekly reading assignments. Sometimes you'll have quizzes, sometimes you won't. And you'll usually have a Canvas discussion every week where you'll tell us what you think about topics related to what we're focusing on in the current week's module. The main method of interaction in this course is going to be through the Piazza Q&A forum, so the online forum, and this should be the only method of interaction when you're working on one of the projects. Okay, so if you share a lab with somebody or if you're friends with somebody outside of class, please do not collaborate on these projects. These are individual projects. The one exception here is that if you have a question about an assignment, you can post it on Piazza. You can make that post public, which I strongly encourage you to do. In fact, you should make a post public and unless it contains like sensitive information, like family information or something like that. So yeah, you can post your question on Piazza, and we also encourage you to respond to questions that are posted by other students. Okay, so yeah, you don't want to respond to a student's problem by posting code. Okay, that is the one thing that is I should say restricted on Piazza, but you want to help them solve their problem by posting how you approach the same problem. Okay, just describe it in English how you approach the same problem. Okay, that way we can just kind of monitor your discussion and make sure everything's above board and everything like that. And of course, we'll help you. We'll also respond to the problem and try to solve the problem. Okay. Anyway, that's just a quick overview of the course. I'm looking forward to a great semester, and again, welcome, and I will see you all online.